why your injuries won't heal, and how regenerative therapy can help. Now, have you ever wondered why some injuries just don't seem to heal, no matter how much time passes, or why that knee pain or joint discomfort just keeps coming back, even after trying just absolutely everything? What if I told you that your body has the natural ability to heal itself, but it's missing a crucial ingredient? Today, I'm revealing how regenerative therapy is giving people their lives back without surgery, without addictive medications, and without that endless frustration. Now, let's get real for a second. If you've been dealing with chronic pain, whether it's knee pain, back pain, or neuropathy, you're not just frustrated, you're exhausted. You've tried painkillers, physical therapy, and maybe even those pain injections. And yet, the pain just keeps coming back. Well, here's why. Most treatments focus on masking symptoms instead of healing the root cause. Imagine your body as a performance machine. Over time, parts wear down, and injuries slow you down. Your body wants to heal, but as we age, it struggles to do so effectively. And that's where regenerative therapy comes in. At Abundant Health Physical Medicine, we use cutting-edge regenerative therapy to give your body the boost it needs to repair itself. By using highly concentrated stem cells, this therapy helps restore damaged tissue, reduce inflammation, and rebuild what was lost over time. It's not about temporary relief, it's about real, lasting healing. So now you might be thinking, well, if my body can heal itself, why do I need regenerative therapy? Great question. When you were a kid, a scraped knee healed in days. But now, even a minor injury lingers for weeks or it never fully heals. And that's because your body's natural repair mechanisms, they slow down with age. Stem cell therapy steps in to reactivate your body's healing process. Whether you're dealing with a worn out joint, damaged disc in your back, or nerve pain from neuropathy, this isn't magic, it's science. Now, let's talk results. Picture this. You've been struggling with knee pain due to cartilage damage. Cartilage doesn't have a strong blood supply, making it difficult for your body to repair on its own. But with regenerative therapy, concentrated stem cells go directly to the damaged area, helping to rebuild that tissue. And the result? Reduced pain, improved mobility, and a much better, higher quality of life. This isn't just for knee pain. Patients suffering from chronic joint pain, back pain, and even neuropathy have seen incredible improvements. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to heal itself. So why regenerative therapy instead of surgery or medications? Well, there's 3 key reasons. Number 1, it's minimally invasive. There's no cutting, no long recovery times. Number 2, it treats the root cause, unlike painkillers that only mask symptoms. This therapy promotes actual healing. Number 3, use your body's natural healing ability. Instead of forcing your body to adapt to medications, it works with your body's biology. So, for people tired of living with chronic pain or limited mobility, this is an absolute game changer. If you've been told your only options are surgery or a lifetime of pain management, it's time to hear a different story. At Abundant Health Physical Medicine, we help our patients break free from the cycle of pain and take control of their health. I'm telling you, don't wait until the damage is worse. Take that first step toward real healing today. Call us or click on the link here to schedule a consultation and see if regenerative therapy is right for you. Pain doesn't have to be your normal. With regenerative medicine, your body has the potential to heal, restore, and thrive. Only question is, are you ready to give your body the support it deserves?